I'll tell you one thing. I will not create jobs or hold jobs that kill people. And that plant kills people, and PG&E has been given a notice to have it cleaned up by 2004, and they have thumbed their nose at the people of Massachusetts and Salem Harbor by not cleaning it up on time.
Project Blue Book case number 1501 records that at 9:35 a.m. on the 16th of July, 1952, U.S. Coast Guard photographer Seaman Shell Alpert observed the appearance of several very bright lights in the sky. This was through a window screen with no glass from his photo lab within Coast Guard Air Station Salem, Massachusetts. He watched the lights for 6 seconds and called them to the attention of Hospitalman First Class Thomas E. Flaherty, who was in the sick bay. The objects dimmed, then suddenly brightened, and Alpert grabbed a camera to film 4 roughly elliptical, irregular blobs of light in formation, apparently pointing at the pollution emanating from the stacks of the coal-fired power plant of Salem Harbor Station, which had just started operation in 1951.